Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to collect leads with Chatfuel in 2026. If you want to capture customer information like emails, phone numbers, and interests using a chatbot, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log into your Chatfuel account. Next, select the chatbot you want to use for lead generation from your dashboard. Now go to the Flows or Automation section. Next, click on Create New Flow to start building your lead collection system. Now add a welcome message that introduces your offer or service to the user. Next, create a question asking for user details like name, email address, or phone number. Now use input blocks or user attributes to store the collected information securely inside Chatfuel. Next, add buttons or quick replies to guide users through the lead capture process smoothly. Now connect your flow to a thank you message or confirmation screen after the data is collected. Finally, test your chatbot to make sure it properly saves all lead information before publishing it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to collect leads with Chatfuel. Your chatbot can now capture valuable customer data automatically. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.